a self-declaration letter can affect far more than just paperwork. It can influence visa decisions, government records, employment reviews, housing approvals, insurance matters, legal proceedings, financial assessments, or other official processes where authorities rely on your written statement as formal evidence of facts or circumstances. But many people make the mistake of writing vague declarations without clearly stating what they are confirming, leave out important supporting details, use informal wording, or forget that inaccurate statements can create legal, administrative, or procedural consequences depending on the purpose of the declaration. So here is how to write it. Sender information. Start by writing your personal contact details at the top of the letter. For example, Michael Turner, 4518 Oak Ridge Avenue, Phoenix, AZ 85016, United States, michael.turner@email.com, 602-555-1847. This section identifies who you are and provides a clear way for the receiving authority or organization to contact you if verification or clarification becomes necessary. Date. After your contact information, write the date. For example, June 2nd, 2026. The date establishes when the declaration was formally made, which can be important for legal records, administrative timelines, application deadlines, or official reviews. Salutation. Next, write the salutation. For example, to whom it may concern, this greeting is commonly used when the declaration is intended for an organization, department, authority, or reviewer whose specific name is unknown. Opening declaration statement. Now begin the declaration by formally identifying yourself and introducing the statement you are making. For example, I, Michael Turner, born on March 14, 1989, residing at 4518 Oak Ridge Avenue, Phoenix, Arizona 85016, hereby make the following declaration. This opening is important because it clearly establishes your identity before presenting the information being formally declared. Main declaration paragraph. Next, clearly state the facts, status, explanation, or information you are declaring. For example, I declare that I am currently self-employed as a freelance software consultant and earn income through independent contract work with multiple clients. This is one of the most important parts of the letter because it tells the reader exactly what you are formally confirming. Supporting explanation paragraph. After stating the declaration, provide detailed supporting information. For example, my self-employment activities began in January 2023, and I provide software development, technical consulting, and project management services to domestic and international clients. My income is generated through project-based contracts, consulting agreements, and recurring service arrangements. This section gives context, background, and supporting facts that strengthen the credibility of your declaration. Depending on your situation, this paragraph may explain employment status, residence history, financial circumstances, educational background, identity information, relationship status, ownership details, legal matters, travel history, or other facts requiring formal confirmation. Confirmation points section. Now provide additional confirmation statements. For example, for the purpose of this declaration, I further confirm that my primary residence is located in Phoenix, Arizona. I maintain active contractual relationships with current clients. My financial records and supporting documentation are available upon request. This section helps organize important facts into clear, easy-to-review confirmation points. Purpose of declaration paragraph. Next, explain why you are making this declaration. For example, this declaration is made for the purpose of supporting my visa application and confirming my current employment and financial status. This paragraph tells the receiving organization how the declaration relates to your application, request, or official matter. Reliance statement paragraph. After that, acknowledge how the declaration may be used. For example, I understand that this declaration may be relied upon by the receiving authority or organization in evaluating my application, request, or official matter. This statement shows awareness that your declaration can influence official decision-making processes. Certification paragraph. Now include your certification statement. For example, I hereby certify that the information provided in this declaration is true, accurate, and complete to the best of my knowledge and belief. I acknowledge that providing false, misleading, or incomplete information may result in legal, administrative, or procedural consequences where applicable. This paragraph is extremely important because it formally confirms the honesty and accuracy of your statement and recognizes accountability for the information provided. Thank you paragraph, then include your closing paragraph. For example, thank you for your attention to this matter. This keeps the tone respectful, professional, and appropriate for formal correspondence. Sincerely. Now close the letter properly. For example, sincerely Michael Turner. This is your formal closing and signature identification. Signature section. After your closing, include your signature area. For example, signature. Date. The signature section provides formal acknowledgement that you personally made and approved the declaration. The date line confirms when you signed it. Optional notarized version. If your declaration requires notarization, include the notarized section. For example, State of Arizona. Subscribed, declared, and affirmed before me on this 2nd day of June, 2026. Notary public signature, name of notary, commission, expiration, official seal. Some government agencies, courts, immigration processes, financial institutions, or legal matters may require notarization to provide an additional level of authentication and formal verification. Before sending your self-declaration letter, make sure every statement is clear, factual, and consistent with your supporting records or evidence. Review dates, names, addresses, and declared information carefully. A strong declaration is based on clarity, accuracy, complete information, and a full understanding that official authorities may rely on your statement when making important decisions. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Writing Practices for more step-by-step writing guides. See you in the next video.